So this one, you know, the water's on, or it was on. Now I just drained the sink, so we don't have any problems or any leaks. But this one takes the hex key set. It takes a 3/32, and so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it off right down here. Unscrew those. The handles will come off, and I'll show you these step by step. I've replaced the cartridges already, so what I'm going to do is take the cartridges out, replace them with these springs and spring stops, which I bought from Lowe's that are for my Delta sink. I'm going to put those in and then we'll put it back together, and this time, hopefully, fingers crossed, we will have a sink that does not do this anymore. Super annoying. Drip, drip, drip. Alright. So that's the task for tonight. Let's get started.
Alright, so like I said, we're going to take this, unscrew the knobs. These things will pop off. Alright, so for mine, I have a stainless like bolt holding this in place, holding the cartridges in place. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a wrench or something that will wrap around that. You're going to unscrew these, and then with some pliers you're going to pull out right here like so. You're going to pull this guy up and out. Sometimes they do get stuck because there's a lot of mineral buildup on the inside, like hard water. So in that case, you could get like a piece of wood, you know, maybe a screwdriver to kind of hold it as leverage. Alright, just gotta get it started. These things come off. And since I just replaced these and greased them really good, that'll just come right up. Last little bit of that water will come up. And then pull these guys out. So first is gonna come that guy, then the spring, and this right here, these two pieces is what I'm replacing this time. Alright, then we're gonna repeat this process on the other side. So like I said, just use those to get started. Twist this guy off. Mine's loose, so it comes right out. And I'm gonna use these guys to take these out. So cap, spring, both come out just like so. Once we get those out, put the new ones in. First is gonna go the spring. First try, that one worked out good. Drop this guy down in there. This guy probably won't go exactly the way it needs to go first time. And I'm just gonna get it in place so it is flush. Alright, now that that's in place, I have my silicone grease right here. I'm just gonna reapply it to this guy, and anywhere below the black part, I'm just gonna make sure it gets covered really good in grease. So I'll put it all up in here. That way, hopefully it will seal it nice and tight so the water faucet won't leak. Screw that guy back on. A little groove on the side right here facing you. You're gonna slip that right in there. That way it'll be right in place. Like I said, these caps go back on. Make sure they line up. So if you have the water on, it needs to be on, off, off. So I already know I didn't put it on right, so it's gonna be backwards. So I gotta retwist it to the other side to get it to match up. So this guy's gonna have to come off right here. Take that guy off, twist it there. Alright, final step's gonna be retightening your hex screws. Get them started, then we'll lock them in place. Alright, there you have it. All in all, it's not really hard. Just takes a little bit of time, and honestly, once you get everything unscrewed and loose, it goes really fast. Anyway, that's how you replace the cartridges and the springs in a faucet, at least for a Delta faucet. Turn the water on. The water still works to the house. And do we have any drips? Besides that initial one, I think we're good. There we have it, guys. We did a successful cartridge and spring change. Thanks for sticking around and sticking through watching this. Hopefully you guys learned something. This needed to be done around the house, so I thought I'd maybe share my project with you guys that I was working on, and it was successful, so no leaks. And after a couple of months, it's nice to have that one done. So anyway, thanks guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.